Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will need to have a cable that is plugged into your computer for this, and next we're gonna turn off our device. Once the device turns off, I'm going to grab the phone and the cable, and you will want to hold the power button and volume down, and instantly once you start holding them you want to plug it in. So power button, volume up, pressed, plugged. Once you see the Samsung logo and then Galaxy, let go of the power button and keep holding volume up. And there we go. As you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in this mode you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate either up or down depending on which one you press, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options that we have access to in here, we have things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us to Fast Boot mode I believe, or actually no, my bad, Download mode nowadays, because Samsung doesn't allow you to have access to your own device. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wave data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'll select the first option and confirm that. And like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.